What's up, pranksters? Welcome back to another installment of my series, How to Get More Halloween Candy. And I'm about to show you 20 quick ways that will help you improve your chances of getting more Halloween candy this year when you go trick-or-treating, because you don't want to be that kid with a half-empty treat basket, right? You want to be the kid with a half-full basket. Well, actually, everybody wants to have a full basket of Halloween candy, and I'm about to show you how to achieve that. But before we get to that, let's get to the like goals and giveaways for this video. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I will give away 500 pieces of candy to someone from the comments. And if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will give away 1,000 pieces of candy. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me whether you're going trick-or-treating or not this year. Now, if you don't have a sweet tooth and candy isn't your thing, well, maybe this next giveaway will make you drool. On my Instagram page at @real_Nextraker, I will be giving away an Xbox Series S to one of my followers on November 30th, 2020. And to participate, all you have to do is follow my Instagram page and then find this designated post and leave a comment on it. Just one comment qualifies you for this giveaway, and currently this post has a little over 1,000 likes. So I'm thinking that by November 30th, if this post has 25,000 likes, I will swap out the Xbox Series S for the Xbox Series X. But for sure, I will give away a game console to a lucky fan on Instagram. So remember the date, guys, November 30th, 2020. The winner will be chosen randomly using commentpicker.com, so if you have an Instagram account and you dream of owning one of these game consoles, give it a try. The link to my Instagram page is in the description below. Alright then, let's go trick-or-treating. It's no secret that besides having fun on Halloween by dressing up and spending time with family and friends, the ultimate objective is to collect the most possible candy when you're trick-or-treating. So here's the very first thing you should do. Try to stand out, and having a really nice and eye-catching costume, whether you buy it or make your own, just make sure it's unique. People love to reward creativity with more candy. It's common sense that if you start trick-or-treating at a very early time on October 31st and you end it very late, you'll accumulate the most candy during that time, so make sure you schedule your trick-or-treating time wisely. Try to get the biggest treat basket that you can find. This is a must for two reasons. The first one is very obvious. You want to be able to carry the most candy possible, but also the bigger your treat basket is, it's gonna look like you have collected less candy and your neighbors might feel bad for you and end up giving you more candy to fill up your treat basket. It also helps if you hit up the right neighborhoods. By that I mean go to the most active areas near you. Sometimes it's best to avoid that one street with that one house giving out candy to save time. Ideally, you want to trick-or-treat at a neighborhood where every house is participating in the Halloween festivities. Most people that hand out candy also celebrate Halloween by putting on a costume themselves, so no matter how good or horrible their costume is, try to compliment them on it and make them feel good about it. Another way to suck up to your neighbors on October 31st is by complimenting their yard or Halloween decorations that they might have on display, because chances are that any house that you trick-or-treat at will have a bunch of decor outside. If you're in tip-top shape, running or fast-paced walking will do wonders for you on your trick-or-treating adventure. That way you go to more houses and you might have enough time to hit up all the houses in your neighborhood twice. Ideally, you want your parents driving you from house to house collecting candy, that way you don't wear yourself out and you can conserve your energy, because as we all know, trick-or-treating can be exhausting and you want to be able to keep up with everyone that night. If that option isn't available for you, try skateboarding or even using your hoverboard if you have one to transport you from house to house. If you do this, I recommend a light up hoverboard with a speaker so people can easily spot you and hear you. And since we're on the subject of speakers, if you have a phone, try to play music while you go door to door asking for candy. I recommend creepy Halloween music to go with the mood. I'm pretty sure that your neighbors will take notice and give you more candy. Remember, it's the little things that matter here. For example, if you're a good singer, you can sing to your neighbors. Well, actually, you don't have to be a good singer, you just have to sing. I'm telling you guys, doing these extra steps does help and will get you more candy at every house. For me, singing isn't something I do. I myself prefer to make other people laugh, and to do that you can tell jokes. For example, this one. What do you get when you cross a vampire with a snowman? You get a frostbite. See, these little jokes will get you more candy, guys, and I can't stress this enough. I always tell you guys in every video, tell jokes, because these are very effective. If you take a coin with you while trick-or-treating, tell your neighbors to play a game with you. If it lands on one side, you only get one piece of candy, but if you guess the right side that the coin lands on, you get 3 pieces of candy. This is a very fast and simple method to get double or triple the candy, but if you don't have a coin, you can always just use a piece of candy. Call the side that will land facing up when you throw it up in the air. If you guess it right, you should get more candy, but state the rules to your neighbors first. Here's another game of chance using a couple dice. You can come up with any game that you want. Just throw the dice, and whatever number it lands on, that will be the amount of candy that your neighbors will put in your basket. So ideally you want it to land on 6, but if you take 2 dice, it might land on 12. My favorite game is actually guessing which hand has more candy. So have your neighbor put 1 piece of candy in one hand and 3 on the other without you looking, so whichever hand you choose, you'll get that candy. If you take a pet or a small sibling with you, make sure that they can keep up with you and won't get tired fast. Yes, pets and little kids can use the cute factor to get you more candy at first, but it could backfire on you and they might actually slow you down. Going with a group of friends does have its advantages at first, but you can always split up and you can call each other so everyone is aware of the best houses to trick-or-treat at, because remember, some houses give out more candy than others. If you like interacting with your neighbors as you trick-or-treat, make sure that you always mention that your trick-or-treating experience will be cut short that night because you are in a strict curfew and you have to head back home sooner than most kids. So of course they will feel bad for you and try to put more candy into your treat basket. Just know that this technique only works early on during Halloween night. I've mentioned before that telling people that it's your birthday on Halloween night will get you more candy. Well, you can also tell them that your birthday was the day before and you will get more candy as a belated birthday gift. Or if you tell them that your birthday is the following day, you'll get more candy as an early birthday present. And last but not least guys, being polite and saying please and thank you when you ask for candy will for sure help your goal at getting the most treats possible on Halloween night. And there you guys have it. 20 smart and clever ways that will improve your chances at getting the most candy possible when you go trick-or-treating on October 31st. Try the best ones that will work for you and you'll notice a big difference inside your treat basket. Another way that you might be able to get more Halloween candy this year is if you win some of my giveaway candy prizes. And here are the like goals guys. If this video gets 5,000 likes, the winner will get 500 pieces of candy, and if this video gets 10,000 likes, the winner will get 1,000 pieces of candy. And to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. That is it. And just another reminder, if you want to enter my Xbox Series S giveaway, head over to my Instagram page at real_Nextraker and follow me on there, and also leave a comment on the designated post that you see right here. I will choose the winner randomly using commentpicker.com, and I did raise the stakes a bit. If that post gets 25,000 likes by November 30th, 2020, I will give away an Xbox Series X instead of the Series S. So now that this video is almost over, head over to my Instagram page to have a chance of winning an Xbox Series S or an Xbox Series X on November 30th, 2020. Now before I end this video, I want to wish everyone a very safe and awesome Halloween. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.